In this video, we're going to be doing a practice question covering the concepts we studied in the previous three videos. So our question is that we need to ask the user for a 4-digit number input. And then we need to add the 4 digits in the number. So example, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I need to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is my question. So we're going to start with taking the input from a user. So for that, we need to first do scanner input new scanner system dot in. Then we're going to ask the user to enter a 4-digit number. So now that I've asked the user to input the number, I need to figure out how to separate these 4 numbers and then add them. So for this, you need to use your brain a little, as programming is more about the logic than about learning the syntax. So let's try this out. I have a number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need 1 separately, 2 separately, 3 separately, 4 separately, so I can add them. So what I'm going to do here is, first let's try dividing this by 1,000. What am I going to get? Dividing two integer numbers gives us the whole part of it, the whole number part of it. So let's try dividing it here by 1,000. 1,000 ones are 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0. And this is my remainder. So I will get 1. 1 is the first digit of this number, so correct. Next, let's try 1, 2, 3, 4 modulus 10. What will this give me? Let's try it here. Oh, sorry. So let's do 1, 2, 3. So our remainder here is 4. So we get the last number as well. So now we need the second and the third number. So what we can do here is, I want this part. So when I have 1, 2, 3 and I take the modulus of it with 10, I will get 3, because 1, 2, 3, I will get 3. And then when I have 1, 2 and I take the modulus of it with 10, I will get 2. So how to get 1, 2, 3? So 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10, if we try this, sorry. So see here, where is the eraser? Sorry. So when we do 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10, we get our remainder as 1, 2, 3, because 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 10 gives us 1, 2, 3, 0, and we'll get our remainder of 4 and our quotient of 1, 2, 3. So from this we get this, and then from this we can take the modulus of 10, because when we take the modulus of 10 of 1, 2, 3, we will get 3. So this is for 3, and for 4, what we're going to do is, we're going to divide 1, 2, 3, 4 with 100, because 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 100 gonna give me 1, 2, and this will be my remainder, this will be my quotient. So from this I will get the remainder 1, 2, and then I will take the modulus of 1, 2, 10, which will give me 2. So here I've gotten the formulas for getting each digit separately. So this is for digit 1, this is for digit 4, the last digit, this is for digit 3, and this is for digit 2. So that's why you need to imply some logic to understand how to solve the question. So now let's implement this here. Int digit 1 is equals to number divided by 1000. Int digit 2 is equals to number divided by 10 divided by modulus 10. Int digit 3 is equals to number divided by 100 modulus 10, and int digit 4 is equals to number modulus 10. So now I've gotten these 4 numbers separately. So now I can just do int sum is equals to digit 1 plus digit 2 plus digit 3. So this is it, and then I will print it. The sum of individual digits of the number is sum. So let's try to run this. Enter a 4-digit number. Here we get 10. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Let's run this again by doing 2 3 1 5. Here I get 11. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11. Let's try it one more time. 1 1 1 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 4. So this was a practice question using all the things we've studied in the previous 2 videos.